Hey there, green thumbs. Today I'm going to show you how to grow your very own Feijoa tree at home. Feijoa, also known as pineapple guava, is a delicious and unique fruit that's surprisingly easy to grow. Let's get started. First up, you'll need to choose the right spot. Feijoa trees love full sun, so pick a spot in your garden that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. They also prefer well-draining soil, so make sure your spot doesn't get waterlogged. Next, it's time to plant. Dig a hole about twice the size of the root ball of your young Feijoa tree. Place the tree in the hole, making sure the top of the root ball is level with the ground. Fill the hole with soil, pressing down gently to remove any air pockets. Water it well to help settle the soil. Now, let's talk about care. Feijoa trees are pretty low maintenance, but they do appreciate regular watering, especially in the first year. Aim to keep the soil moist but not soggy. Once your tree is established, it can tolerate some drought. Feijoas are also heavy feeders, so give them a boost with a balanced fertilizer in spring and summer. Pruning isn't essential, but you can trim back any dead or crossing branches to keep the tree's shape neat. And now, the exciting part: harvesting. Feijoas are ready to pick in late autumn, when they start to fall off the tree naturally. You can also give the fruit a gentle twist. If it comes off easily, it's ready. Enjoy the fruit fresh or use it in jams and desserts. There you have it. Growing Feijoa trees at home is a breeze. Give it a try and you'll be rewarded with delicious homegrown fruit. Happy gardening.